Hello everyone, this is Team Brainiacs. We are here for the presentation of the week 3 team project update. I am Dipesh Adhikari. Today we will be discussing about the problem statement, which is the brief overview of our previous presentations, the current status of the project, what we are doing and why we are doing it, the software requirements, the identified software and the software we will be using for the projects, and the challenges associated with it. So now I would like to call Pawan Rayamaji for discussing about the problem statement.
Hello everyone, this is me Pawan Ramaji, and thank you Dipesh for calling me. And now I'll be explaining about problem statement. And we are planning to open IBM center here in Nepal. Maybe the location we are planning is right now it is IT Park, which is located some kilometers, some miles away from Bonipa. And there are no IBM data centers in Nepal. Building one will help to address consumer needs. Yes, till date there is no IBM data centers in Nepal, and we are planning to build one here so that we can address every consumer's need, and it's gonna be easy for Nepalis and others if a data center is going to be built here. And we'll be using Kaizen Blitz methodology for solving a problem. Here we will be using process and rapid speed methodology for solving our problem. And for more interaction and explanation, I would like to call my friend Sunil Parazuli for explaining for the slides. Thank you.
Hello everybody, this is Sunil Parajuli and I am going to explain about the current status of our project. We are gathering the information about the various things such as hardware, software and cost budget, etc. And we are gathering the requirement for our current phase. We have identified the location for establishment of new IBM data center. The suitable location we identify is IT Park, which is situated in Panauti near Bonipa, about 25 km from Kathmandu, which is the capital city of Nepal. We have been doing some research about to find the estimation cost of our budget, and we have been researching about how many IT companies are there in Nepal and their respective data center. And there are more than 10 data centers in Nepal, and most of them are private and feasible to open data center in Nepal, and some of them are public as well. So the final conclusion of this feasibility analysis is that we can open new IBM data center in Nepal easily, and it's very feasible in this case. Now I am to call Vishwas Dahal for his next slide about software requirement. Thank you.
Thank you, Sunil. It's me, Vishwas, and I am here to describe about the software requirement. And let us go through the definition. Software Defined Data Center (SDDC). It is a vision for infrastructure that extends virtualization concept such as abstraction, pooling, and automation to all the data centers, users, and service to achieve IT as a service. And this definition we have taken from the Wikipedia. We have decided to open a software-defined data center in Nepal and prove IT as a service, that is ITaaS, to the customer. Instead of physical data center, we are proposing to define a virtualized data center. And for further slide presentation, I'd like to request Sandesh Metwal. Thank you.
Thank you, Vishwas. I am Sandesh Metwal, and today I'm going to talk about software we plan to use to set up IBM data center here in Nepal. So the operating system we plan to use is Mesosphere operating system, and for cybersecurity we plan to use data center transformation service and HP cloud protection, program and consulting services. Similarly, for virtualization, we plan to use VMware NSX for network virtualization and Data Course Sand Symphony for software virtualization. And lastly, we plan to use for Sunbird DCIM for infrastructure management. So I think these are the tools we require to set up a new IBM data center here in Nepal. So that's it for me. So I'd like to welcome Dipesh to talk about the challenges we face this week. Thank you.
Hello everyone, this is Dipesh Patrai from Nepal, representing team Brainiacs. So this is the update for week 3, which goes as like this. Today I'll be discussing about the challenges. So the challenges include virtualization. Virtualization is an act of creating a virtual version of something, including virtual computer hardware platforms, OS, storage devices, computer network resources. So we'll have to continue virtualization for server, network, and storages. That's why we'll have problem of controlling our hardware and stuffs. So that's why we'll need support for multiple hypervisors. Hypervisors is a computer software that creates and runs on virtual machines. So more virtual machines might be needed. And furthermore, the program should be capable for programmability, like we should be able to write better codes and stuff. And manageability includes the codes we have written, we have discussed about, must be able to handle errors. We should be able to log in later and make edit on that. We should be able to manage it successfully. Thank you. So if you have any queries, please drop down any queries. And finally, thank you.